welcome back to my channel, and today we have got Glossy Box. Now Glossy Boxes, I pay £8.95 a month for my Glossy Box, or if you don't subscribe to the yearly plan, which I subscribe to the yearly plan, you will pay £11.95 postage and packaging for Glossy Box. Glossy Box is international as well. You can get it in America, and also if I put my code on the screen somewhere, you will get some more money off. You get like £5 off, I think. So I will put it on the screen so you can get it and use my code, and you'll save more money and everybody's happy because it's a win-win situation. So yeah, so this is Glossy Box. It comes in a black box like that, and with the Glossy Box logo on there. But I do like this design of the August one. It's super shiny and it's beautiful. I love it. So okay, we've got something that's true. Oh, I'll have to see what this is. We've got like body foam in here, and it says care your way. Redeemable at Asda, Sainsbury's and Morrison's from today, and it's the free wash wipes coupon inside. Oh, okay. So there we go. There is the coupon in here, I hope. Yeah, you get a free wash Asda, Sainsbury's and Morrison's, so a free wash coupon. Make sure you use these coupons, not to chuck them, because it can be quite easy to chuck coupon. So, and also you get a free packet of wipes, and also you get 50p off the body foam, which is really good. I thought that was always, but it's not. It's body foam. Oh, super good. I love body foam. Really is good. So okay, that's good. Happy that's in there. Right, so we're gonna go on. We got Ocado as well. I don't really use those because they're super expensive, is Ocado. And we got a coupon for Hello Brush. I don't use that neither because it's expensive. Right, so we're just going to get on with this. This is the Glossy Box. I must say, I love this box this month. That is like super trendy, nice. I love the colour pink. It's just gorgeous colour. Right, okay, so let's unbox it. It looks like a molten colour that it's actually went off, and I do like that, the size of it. And it says the birthday edition. Oh wow, so it's a special edition of Glossy Box. It's a birthday edit. And why am I sounding like a clown? I don't know, but it makes the video fun, I guess. Right, because I'm just super happy. So there we go, and it's got pink inside as well. Oh wow, it's a gorgeous box. I'm going to use this box this month. It's going to be like used for my brushes and beauty items, and so I'm just going to get my scissors to cut the ribbon because it's easier to use scissors with it. Right, so it says subscriber exclusive. Your priority access to buy the 2019 Advent calendar begins on Friday the 6th of September. Oh wow. So subscriber exclusive price is just £70, and you can get that there. And it is worth over £370, so it's worthwhile. So you saved yourself £300 technically. I'm sorry if you can hear banging, but I live in a house where there's other people. So this is the birthday edit, and there we go. And I will pull out the items and we'll have a look at this later. Okay, so I will let you see it. So there it is. Right, okay, so there it is. And I'm going to pull out the first item, which is the eye therapy under eye masks. I like these in the morning because I get really baggy eyes, so I'm super happy that I've got that for in the morning use. And I usually put these in the fridge and just keep them cool, because if they're cool enough, they work better. So just usually pop those in the fridge, and in the morning I will have cool eye masks. It will get rid of my shopping bags. Happy days. Right, okay, so I see something in here that's really, really exciting. It really is. It's oh, we got a Foam Boost Ultimate Moisture Imperial Leather. Oh, okay, so this is a body wash. There it is. And okay. I do like this glittery stuff. Oh, I do like that. It's real nice. But we got something in here that is so amazing. So this is for Rose Gold Lash Curler. I was wanting one of these and I was going to buy one of these because I really do need a lash curler. So there it is. I'm happy that we've got one of those this month because I was going to buy one of these. So it saved me some money there because I want to start looking after my lashes. What longer lashes. So there is the first Rose Gold Lash Curler. And then the next item is what we've got is a Bang Beauty. So this is, it looks like it's a, oh God, I don't even know. We've had Bang Beauty before in Birchbox, I'm sure of it. It was a brow thingamajigs we had. I just remember the name. So this is what I am happy about. I like Huda Beauty. It's so nice. It's the lip strobe. So there it is. And let's just have a little look at the colour of this. Is it going to show up? It's just there. Oh wow, look at that colour. Like, that is really pretty. I do like that colour. That's nice. And that is, this month it is, the Huda Beauty of this month is worth £17. And it says, we're kicking up our birthday celebrations with a glossy favourite. Huda's lip strobe boosting pink shimmers and gold reflections. You can apply this universal gloss straight onto your lips for a full coverage and iridescent finish, or wear over your favourite lipstick for added shine. You'll either receive angelic rose, ritzy champagne, Beaujolais coral, or fearless, a gorgeous purple shade. I think that I got lip strobe. So I'm just going to try it over my lipstick that I got already. This is an orange lipstick. I do not know what it's going to do. Oh, wow. So it's quite pigmented. And there it is. I like that. So that's good. So then that is worth actually £17. So then next is what we got is this, which is the eyelash curler, and it says, it isn't a party until your hair is loose and your lashes are long. That's why we're treating you to a gorgeous rose gold lash curler. It's unique curve, fits all eye shapes and effortlessly lifts your lashes. Simply clamp the curler around your lashes near the root, hold it down for 10 seconds and voila, longer curler lashes. Wow, and that is £15. Mind you, right, I've seen these cheaper in like TK Maxx. You can usually pick them up for about £5, but it must be a good one. So there it goes. And then the next item what we're going to show you is, what did we get next, which is the Foam Burst, which is this one, which is from Imperial Leather. This one is the Foam Burst Ultimate Moisture Golden Amber Coconut Oil. All of you glossies deserve a pampered passion on your birthday. Thanks to the newly launched Foaming Body Wash, you can enjoy an indulgent bath or shower that revives your body and your mind. It blends into a softening skin conditioner. Oh wow, that sounds nourishing and nice and everything for this perfect sort of weather when you just want your skin to feel at its best. So yeah, I'm looking forward to using that. And that is £2. But is this a deluxe mini? This one's a mini. It's not the full-sized item, I don't think. The full-sized item is £5. So this is like a sample, but it's pretty good one. It's supposed to last you 3 days. I reckon that would last anybody 3 days. Pretty good. I do like that. It's quite nice. I don't know what it smells like. I'm going to have a little test of it. So it comes like that. It's really foamy. Oh wow, the smell of it. It smells like biscotti. You know those biscotti biscuits? Almonds. It just has a nice scent of almonds to it. So I get the scent of almonds, but it's actually coconut oil. It does say coconut oil, but I get, yeah, almonds is what I get with it. Okay, so that top's not going to go back on. I'm just going to put that right there. And then the next item we're going to go about is these. Now these is the eye patches that I said to you. I just chuck them in the fridge and I use them the following morning. These is the eye therapy ones by Beauty Pro. Whether you want to smooth out the fine lines before applying your party makeup or revive puffy eyes the next morning, the cooling mask awakens your eyes. Rich in anti-inflammatory green tea extract, hydrating aloe vera and nourishing marine-based collagen, it reduces the appearance of wrinkles and dark circles, while also brightening tired and swollen eyes. Simply apply to a cleansed skin for 20 minutes. This is a deluxe mini and it is worth £1.65. For the full size of these, they are £4.95 from beautypro.com. So there we go. So that's one like 65. We're on to £3. £3.65 we're on to with this box. But remember we've got the Huda Beauty, which is £17. So we got our money's worth with this box. It's definitely a win-win situation with Glossy box. So this looks to be like what they sent us this month is a Bang Beauty felt tip eyeliner. Now then this is worth £15.75. So happy to get an eyeliner in my box, but I thought we were going to have trouble opening the box there, but we're not. So it comes like that and it has another plastic bit on it, does it? I've got it open and there is the tip. Oh, it's got like a fine tip on that. I do like it. It's fine enough so you can do like a wing eyeliner with that easily. So I'm just going to swatch it for you, which is going to be about there. Oh, look at that thin line. I suppose you could, if you put a bit more pressure on, I'm supposing you could get a thicker line. Yep, definitely. So I'm just going to actually see what it's going to be like when I do. Oh yeah, it's going to be just fantastic for my wing liner. I do like it, so I'm gonna use that probably. So there we go. There is £15. I do like the way the top goes on as well. It clicks in. The only thing is I don't like is the packaging. That could have just been a little bit more easier to get into, but it's a nice eyeliner. Right, okay, so my verdict on this month's box. Well, I think that it's definitely worth the money this month. But it says it's our birthday. Get ready, Glossies, because we're celebrating another year of glossiness the only way we know how, with an explosion of pink sparkles and plenty of glitter. This August we're hosting a global birthday bash and you're invited. I knew about that. I wanted to go to it, but like with Daniel, it's super difficult. But it's in Manchester, isn't it? I think. Yeah. Super. So it says we're honoured our party guests. We're treating you to a special design glittery pink box filled with 2 dramatic and shimmery makeup products, a gorgeous rose gold beauty tool, indulge in body care and pampering skincare. We can't wait for you to unwrap all of these treats and celebrate our birthday with us. Let's get the party started. Hashtag Glossy Box Birthday. And it was by Ellie Nash, the beauty editor. Right, okay. So a sneak peek for September, and it's, oh, that looks Interesting. Right, if you don't want to know what it is, look away right now. There it is. It looks interesting. It is the Halo Beautiful Glow. Alright, so there it is. That's for next month. And yeah, so I will put my code on here somewhere so you can get money off, and that looks to be the end of my video. If you liked my video, give it a thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye!